So guys, the market pick has been glitch again. That is what I would say, because a lot of people are packing high rated players off from it, and it has really caused a huge market crash. And because of that, a whole lot of players are going down in prices. And in today's video, I'll be showing you some players to invest in them so that you can make money, because they will definitely go up in price. So make sure to like this video and watch to the end. So we have Harry Kane, which is the 99 OVL Harry Kane. As you can see, almost 450 plus people have sold him right over here, and he is now 48 million. He was around 60 million or so. So make sure you guys pick him up, because he's still going to go up in price. We have Hernandez. As you can see, Hernandez is being sold. He's now 72 million. So if you have that money, then pick him up, because he's going to go up in price. Right over here, we have a whole lot of players. We have Van Dijk, we have Vinicius Jr. All of these players are going down in price. So let me just show you some specific players to invest in them right over here. 99 Musiala is also being sold a lot, and it has made him went down in price. So make sure you guys check him out, because he's going to go up in price. He is now 70 million right over here. We have 99 Nico Williams, saying go ahead and pick him up. He's now 79 million. A lot of people are selling him. We also have 98 Mbappe. He is being sold. He's now 78. He was 95 million. He has really took a deep dip. We have Davies, we have Douglas, we have Gakpo. All of these guys, make sure to invest in them, because they will go up in price. We have 98 Di Maria. All of these players are being packed from the market picks, and a whole lot of people are selling them, and their prices are going down. So make sure to invest in them, because they are going to go up in price. Let me just come over to the midfield. So we have Kante. As you can see, he's being sold. He's now 38 million, really cheap. So make sure you guys pick him up right now, because he will go up in some few days. Right over here, we also have Matheus. Matheus is now 43 million. As you can see, almost 600 people are selling him. So make sure you guys pick him up, because he will go up in price in the upcoming days. Right over here, we have Declan Rice, 99 OVL. He is 48.2 million, really cheap. We have 98 Modric. As you can see, a whole lot of people are selling him, almost 900 people. So his price will keep going down. So make sure you guys pick him up, because he is going to go up in price. Also, let me just show you some defenders to also invest in them. For the defenders, we have Saliba, 98 OVL, and he has really went down in price. He's now 33 million. So you guys need to get him. We have 98 Rudiger, same. We have 98 Ruben Diaz, 98 Nesta. A whole lot of defenders right over here. So make sure you guys look sharp and get them right over here. So that'll be the end of the video. Let me know any questions you have under the comment section, whether questions or any suggestions. See you guys in the next one. Peace.
Shorty got wop like Fetty. Right when I let it get ready. And in my body